They want
Wow.
mahal lahat ang mga bulaklak ngayon.
It's so expensive. Wow, there's a lot. Mother's Day,
Tapos bukas yung porsela.
Oh, balloons din, oh.
Bukas yan porsela.
Oh, yes.
Tomorrow,
After bukas evening,
yeah.
no?
Oo.
Evening.
Alam mo, pag tomorrow
Wow.
night, naku lahat yan. They have to get rid.
50%.
Yeah. They have,
Happy Mother's Day na lang to all my mother's friend and adopted mother's
alam mo,
friend.
sabi ng Mr. ko, when you will put ang mga birthday mga Christmas, sabi niya lang sa akin, honey, happy birthday.
Picture na lang natin. Picture ka na lang, ha? That's
sabi ng
nice.
Mr. ko,
Yun yung
honey,
malaki, yung
sabi
malaki.
niya sa sabi ng Mr. ko,
Ako, ate.
"Honey, happy Mother's Day. Tapos sabi ko,
Uy,
thank you.
wag mahulog niya.
Sabi ko, thank you.
Huwag ka mahulog.
And then I put it back.
How about you standing over there, ate, ha? Oh. Ako, standing rin. Makita mo? Standing lang. Bidyahan mo ako. Mother's Day na, oh. We can take a picture na Mother's Day. Huwag na lang bili. Kasi
You can say, Happy Mother's Day to me.
Happy Mother's
And there's
Day.
all the
And
balloons.
to all the moms in the world.
Yes.
Tingnan mo yung orchids.
Wow. Wow. Very nice.
Ito pa na noon pa, oh.
Video. Lahat yan. Look how many.
Oh, ito pa, oh. Ito pa, oh. Picture dito. Video lang, video. Tingnan mo, mga mothers na. Mahal-mahal. Ang bulaklak ngayon. Gusto mo na Starbucks ako? Meron ako na ano? Meron ako na.
Ay, gamitin mo bukas. Ayan mo.
Mother's Day.
Look at all the flowers.
Ano, agad ka sa Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
To all the moms.
Enjoy all the
Yeah,
enjoy
I
your
all
day.
these pictures,
And
these
enjoy your day
flowers.
tomorrow.
And that's just, to me, Mother's Day is every day.
You're right.
Not just one time.
Every day.
Sa sinasabi.
And
Nice,
tomorrow night you come here, all of us for
This one here? I think it fits here, huh?
Make sure it's empty.
It's empty. I think it fits over here. Not just over here. So we'll put over here. Nice. Very